Hello from Cherries! In this minute, we want to learn how to use Brush Mixer tool, which is a very handy tool to create your own brush. We have already made a custom shape and designed the colors. Now, we want to make our own brush using this shape. First, we select Mixer Brush tool from the brush tools on the left and set brush size as per the shape size. Then, we toggle the visibility of the background off. Now it's time to scan the shape holding the Alt key on the keyboard and clicking on the shape. Great! We have now made a custom brush. To use it, set the brush mode to dry, heavy, load and toggle the visibility of the background back to on and use your own custom shape brush. As you can see, we can even change the brush tip by opening brush properties using right click in the canvas area. Hope you like this technique in 1 minute.